It's your boy. And
Hey,
Evan.
dietitian Evan here.
He doesn't have a
Do you
beard.
think you're eating quite enough fruits and vegetables in your diet? This
I don't
video is
know.
going to give you some good details of how to get more fruits and vegetables.
Exciting.
It goes without saying, the fruits and vegetables are two of our most nutrient-dense food groups available for us
No
to eat.
shit.
Eating plenty of fruits and vegetables can assist with weight management, stroke and cancer prevention, as well as decreasing overall risk of heart disease.
Amazing.
On average, a person who consumes about 2,000 calories per day should aim for 4 to 5 cups of fruits and vegetables daily.
That's actually laughable, Evan. Because most people can't consume that much. Nor do most people like eating that much. So if that's you, no, it's okay. But like shoot for like 2 cups. Right?
Here's some tips most dietitians would recommend.
Ooh, this is
In
exciting.
order to get a full range of healthy vitamins and minerals, be sure to incorporate a variety of plant foods of different colors for optimal micronutrient and phytonutrient consumption.
No shit.
At each meal,
So like in your macro booklet, how it says to taste or eat the rainbow, that's what he's saying. Except here's the unfortunate truth. Not everybody likes eating the rainbow. And certain people only like certain vegetables, if any at all. So my recommendation is, like myself, I only like 3 vegetables. I like peppers, sometimes onions if they're cooked. I like lettuce, if that counts, but it doesn't really have any micronutrients. And I like cucumbers. It doesn't have any really micronutrients. And I like grilled zucchini. So just use what you like and work with that and make meals with that. If you don't like any vegetables, it's going to be a little hard to cut or like put yourself in a deficit or eat low calorie foods and be full with high volume. But if you do like vegetables, unlike Evan, who's giving no suggestions whatsoever, great job, buddy. Easy ways to add especially vegetables into your diet is like an example: zucchini noodles, squash noodles, anything. You can spiralize any vegetables and turn them into like your carb source, like cauliflower rice. And then fruit. I don't know many people that don't like a lot of fruits. Fruits are a lot easier because they tend to be a lot more sweeter. And I'm not against fruits, but it has to be taken into considerations of how much carbs that fruit has, which again, Evan does not take into consideration or doesn't mention that. Vegetables are almost negligible. It's a hard word to say. Unless you're going to cover them in ranch or oil, they're negligible in the sense that you can kind of eat like an entire bunch of broccoli. That's like 100 calories, and you're probably not going to be able to finish all that. Not the same thing with fruits, right? Some are really good because they're higher in fiber versus others that are higher in macronutrients and micronutrients. Like the best bang for buck fruit would be like mixed berries because it's high in fiber, high in micronutrients. So bang for buck. But a lot of fruits, pretty much all fruits, have some sort of vitamins in them, but some of them have like high calorie. Like example, banana's not incredibly high calorie, but it has like 120 calories in it. Anyways, I don't want to make this video too long, so let's continue.
meal, fill up half of your plate with a range of colorful fruits and vegetables.
Good luck with that.
Even utilize them for snacks. Look for seasonal fresh fruits and veggies to try these foods at their peak freshness throughout the year.
I kind of disagree with that, unless there's like specific types of apples. There's a really cool apple flavor in the fall called Cosmic Crisp. Or not in the fall, in the summer that comes out. It's actually made in a lab. But my recommendation, especially for fruits, would be go with the frozen versions. Especially because most of the fruits that I incorporate are either baked or put in smoothies or yogurt bowls. It tends to do better frozen, unless it's like a banana. But even still, banana frozen in a smoothie, much better than fresh. For vegetables, honestly, for the most part, same thing. I'm lazy, so I'll buy peppers and onions frozen, and I'll just put them on high heat and cook them. I don't really like anything else. If I make a stir fry, again, big frozen stir fry bag of vegetables from Costco. So I don't really agree with this. And also cost-wise, significantly cheaper to go frozen. Not saying there's anything wrong with fresh. Just keep that in mind.
If you tend to eat the same fruits and vegetables all the time, aim to try one new fruit or veggie each week.
Sure.
Variety is key.
No, it's not.
Finally, eat.
No, it's not. No, it's not, Evan. Okay? If certain people like certain things, then stick with that and stick with it like your bubble. You don't have to go outside the bubble, okay? It's unnecessary.
The rainbow. Fruit and veggie subgroups by color include reds, oranges and yellows, blues and purples, greens, and whites.
Wow.
So trying to find foods that incorporate all of these different color groups will make sure that
You know what? Solution. Thank you, Evan. Just eat some fucking Skittles. There we go.
you're getting all the vitamins and minerals that you need.
All right. Well, Evan's not that smart. I hope my information helped you. If there's any questions or any follow-ups from this, feel free to shoot me a message. See you in the next video.